Okay, hi YouTube, George here. We have this Jackson here that Pauric sent us in. Came in, lit up, that was it. No receive, no transmit. So got all that sorted out. Had to replace the S meter. Meter was buggered. Gave it a good clean, secret sauce and all that stuff. And just want to put it on the dummy load here. Right, so we have it on the dummy load. Let's see, FM, AM, audio, upper sideband. 1 2 1 2, hello, 1 2 3 4 5. Lower sideband. So back on the 555. Roger beep. So we give it a good clean up, done the knobs in the ultrasonic cleaner, and give it a coat of secret sauce, replaced all the rusty screws for nice stainless ones, and yeah, that's pretty much the ins and outs of it. I'll just put it back in another area, hold on. There's a lot busier area on. So 1 2 1 2, hello, 1 2 3 4. So there's another one sorted out anyway. I'm ready to go home. Nothing terrible bad, Nick. Few little marks in the cases there, but nothing to be overly concerned about. I was never a huge fan of the Jacksons myself now, to be honest. Always preferred the 148 or the Stalker 9. But yeah, another one done, another one dusted. Wait for them to come and collect it now. Anyway, that's it for this one. We'll get you again. 73.